What happens if something has more mass and it floats more than something that has less mass, Flatsoid? What happens then?
The displacement shows the distribution of the pressure over the surface area to give its difference on observation. Just as you would see a huge container ship with thousands of tons able to float on the ocean, and with a bowling ball only a few kilograms able to sink. Now, if we had to flatten out that bowling ball, it would displace enough pressure over the surface that thus it will not sink. This postulation shows that it's not the mass that causes the acceleration, but the distribution based on the ratio between the object and the medium.
Like if I take a rock and drop it in the water, it weighs a pound and it sinks. But then I can take a multi-ton cruise liner and stick it in the water and it floats just fine, Flatsoid. It has more mass. If I were to measure the mass between the two things, the thing that's floating has more mass than the thing that sank. So that invalidates your hypothesis right there, Flatsoid.
What did we observe? Mass does not attract mass. So what does this mean? Gravity does not exist. It's just relative density disequilibrium.